this trucker's edition of Haagen-Dazs caramel cone. So good. Shout out to my little Arctic King freezer, cause what? If it wasn't for you, there would be no this, okay? So shout out to you for coming through for me, okay? I appreciate you. And I'm about to eat the whole thing. I'm being super fat. Okay, I might not eat the whole thing. But yeah. This is my reset treat to myself. Got the little air fryers up there. The red one is the baddest bitch, of course. The black one is the black sheep of the family. And yeah, eat my ice cream and do my laundry today.